Hey everybody, today I'm going to be unboxing my latest purchase. This is the Garmin Instinct 2 Solar. Now there's a couple different versions of this watch. There's a couple different versions of the Instinct 2 Solar, and then there's an Instinct 2S Solar, which is basically the smaller model. This is a 45mm watch. As with all my purchases, I get nothing for doing these videos. I just like doing these unboxings to remember items I've bought in the past, in case there's somebody else out there thinking about buying the same item and they want to get an idea of what does it look like when it comes in, what's quality like, what's packaging like, etc. So this is not my first experience with Garmin watches, and this is not my first experience with the Instinct. I had one of the Instincts, the regular Garmin Instinct before. I also had the Garmin Instinct Solar before. Got rid of both of those. I then went to the Fenix 7X, and it just wasn't for me. I guess maybe I was too used to using the Instinct, got rid of the Fenix 7X, and now I'm going with the Instinct 2 Solar. So let's take a look at everything we get. Instruction manual, important safety product information. There's not a whole lot to it. That's one thing about Garmin. If you ever look at any of my other watch unboxing videos, or if you're a watch fan like me, the packaging for Garmin is pretty simple. They don't give you a whole lot of bells and whistles, no kind of fancy box, nothing like that. Charge cord is the exact same charge cord that comes with the regular Garmin Instinct. It's also the same charge cord that comes with the Fenix 7 and 7X models. I'm not sure about the previous Fenix models, but it's definitely the same one as for the Fenix 7. And then the watch itself. Now I'm just going to be doing an unboxing today, but once I figure out how to use it, if I do any videos to show you how to use certain features, I'll be sure to link those to the end of this video. 2 buttons on the right side if the watch is facing you, 3 buttons on the left side. It does have a piece of plastic over the top. This one has power glass. It does not have a sapphire option. If you want a sapphire crystal, you've got to go with the 7. I think there's a couple models actually now that they have. The Fenix 7, for example, is one of them that has a sapphire crystal. Anyway, that is a quick unboxing. I hope it helps.